Hi, I'm back with an original design for the T-28 Super Heavy tank. It looks like something out of science fiction, but it's real. The T-28 was designed to be an assault tank. It was intended for breaking through the dragon's teeth, tank traps, and fortified bunkers of the Siegrfried Line in Germany. It was so heavy it had to have double sets of tank tracks. The monster cannon was a 105mm T5E1 gun in a ball-shaped mantlet set into the front of the hull. The traverse was limited to 11 degrees left and 10 degrees right, and an elevation from 19.5 degrees to -5 degrees. The only other armament was a ring-mounted 50 caliber machine gun. The frontal armor was 12 inches thick, which was considered heavy enough to take hits from the vaunted German 88mm gun. As a scale reference, here's a 25-cent piece. Here's a view of the top looking down, and here's what it looks like underneath. On the back deck, you can see what I think is a davit for slinging the outer track sponsons. Notice the split in the top of the track skirting. This is because the T-28 was designed for the outside sponsons to be detached for easier rail shipment. Here it is with only the inner tracks. So let's get this T-28 shipped off to the Siegfried Line. To show you how I put this T-28 together, I'm going to take it apart. Here's the gun barrel and the ball and socket components. Whoa! We're getting closer to the front. Now, where were we? Oh yeah, while I have the front of the tank apart, I want to talk about design decisions. When you have a model of this scale, you have to make some design calls. Which elements do you want to feature? This version includes a front davit on the fender, sloped and beveled front armor, and lower profile front mudguards. The left side cupola is prominently featured, and the sloped armor allows the gun to elevate higher. This gun's profile is thinner overall. I considered using a piece like this to fill that gap between the tops and sides of the skirts. You know, although it might not look like it, designing and building these small-scale models takes hours and hours. So choose the design elements that best suit your needs. Okay, so let's get back to the original design. Here's the back half of the upper hull. And here's what that assembly looks like from underneath. Getting the front sets of wheels to extend out ahead of the tank body was the trickiest part of this design. I'm happy to report that the number of bottom wheels is correct to the real tank. Now it's time to crack the Siegfried Line.
Where's our air support? T-28, we're on the way.
Come on out of there! Handy hot! Handy hot!
Nicht schießen! Wir surrender! Wir surrender!
The Allies attack all along the Western Front through the dragon's teeth of the Siegfried Line in an advance which takes them to the Rhine.
As a bonus, I wanted to show you how I put the bunker together. Here's a view with the roof in place. And here's a view with the roof stripped off. Some of you may recognize the cannon from my battle bus video. In reality, World War II ended before the T-28 could see combat. But I hope you like the battle scene anyway. And I hope you like the T-28 build too. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks a lot, y'all. Bye.
Matt's Custom Creations, Matt's Custom Creations. Watch your man build, watch your man build, watch your man build.